What's something people don't know about Hurricane Beryl? It's not just another storm, it's a Category 1 hurricane that has already claimed lives. Hurricane Beryl, classified as a Category 1 storm, struck Houston earlier today. Winds reached up to 95 miles per hour, causing significant damage to structures and infrastructure. Tragically, 3 lives have been lost and the city is grappling with the aftermath. Emergency services are working tirelessly to assist those affected and to restore order. Evacuation orders were issued, but not all residents were able to leave in time. The community now faces the daunting task of recovery and rebuilding as Beryl leaves a trail of destruction in its wake. Officials are urging residents to remain indoors and follow all safety advisories. Stay tuned for more updates and keep safe, Houston.